What's up, everybody? It's your boy D, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I'd really appreciate it. Trying to grow my channel, and if you can click on the like button and the bell notification button and even share it. I've got some really cool videos. I think I got about 20 videos. Started my channel a while ago, and I think I'm up to about 5,000 views, and my channel's just puttering along. But anyways, you probably see me do an episode up on this, the iPhone 8 Plus, which is a good buy. Is it still good in 2021? This thing is a beast. This thing is an amazing phone. I really suggest that you go out and purchase this. It's only a couple years old, and it's still got great speed, great battery life. Go out and get this. It's still a good buy. Also, look out for my MacBook Air update. That video is doing really well. And I mentioned it's 10 years old, but is it still a good buy in 2021? And it is. That video is also doing really well. So thank you for that. This, I did a video on this. I got scammed. This I will be giving away. It's great for parts. I would say it's got about $200 worth in parts. The screen alone is $200 separate. This is what I use to open stuff. But let's jump into it today. I have no clue what we're opening. But I'm going to do this in such a way so you can't see what my information is, my personal information. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to focus that there like that. Hopefully you can see. And let's see what we got. I don't know what we have here. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Actually, let me take this out of frame 1 second and get this for you guys. Just off to the side here. I'm going to open it. That seemed a little difficult, so we're going to try again. Okay, so just going to open gently to the side. And there, I opened it to the side, and we'll just pull it out and see. I have no clue what this is. I hope you didn't see what. Why is it 2 packages? What the hell? 2 packages, 2 pack. What the heck did I order? What is this? Oh, it's the kit to fix the Apple Watch. 555. Talk about perfect timing. I should do an update on this real quick. Look out for a future episode of this. Okay, this is the kit to go through the screen repair. Wow. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to open this up. Let's see what we get anyways here. This is just good stuff to have. So now I could actually open up this and see what we get. This is good stuff to have here. Wow. Okay, they wrapped it up nice. Okay, so you get the Aclear liquid Aclear. I don't know if this is frozen or hardened or if it's still good. The Aclear liquid here. This is a very important. I'm gonna just open this up here. Is this even good? I don't want to affect the UV light. So you got to keep that in the dark. But wire, separator. Okay. Okay. I see what we got. Yeah. All right. This is to fix this, but basically this which is broken. As you could see here in a previous video, I got to really do a video on this because this is actually now up and running. And this is I believe the GPS cellular Apple Watch Series 4 44mm. And I did do a video on it previously. And this you would have seen just when I went through the opening, the unboxing of this watch here. I'll just cover that up. But yeah. So that was the watch there that I got, which is this watch here. and I love it. It's great. I got it all set up and paired with my other with my, I guess my iPhone really, and I absolutely love it. It's I couldn't be more satisfied with how this watch turned out. So shout out to Daniel out west in Vancouver for setting me up with that. I really appreciate it. 100%. So thank you for that. Yeah, that's it. And it is paired. I'll go through here, show you. I won't go into anything in detail, but yeah. So as you can see here, I got everything all paired up, ready to go. Some of my my face screens, but it's all paired. So I got 2 paired. I did lose one of the watches in the house, but I have 3 Apple Watches, believe it or not. And yeah, hopefully I could figure out where the other one is, and I'll get that all set up. But yeah, I love it, and it's working. So I will do an updated video on this one here, and yeah, I'll tell you what I think so far. So if you haven't seen my other videos on this, check it out. Yeah, that'd be really cool. Oh, where did this come from? Oh shoot, this is the actual screen. Whoa, didn't even realize. Oh, so this is for not this screen. This is for the other screen. I can't believe it. What is this? They sent a lot of shit. Oh, and a screen protector. Wow. Oh my God, I didn't even realize that was just sitting there. Holy smoke-a-dokie. I had no idea that was there. Oh my gosh, I better put this in with all the other stuff. I can't believe it. I forgot that that's what I actually ordered. Jeez. Wow, talk about how did I even miss that? Okay, yeah, that's the actual lens. Now this is the 40mm for the watch that I lost in the house. So that's just crazy. But everything arrived. My gosh. Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, turns out that, wow, I didn't even notice that was in the, hey, remember to check all your packages, folks, when you order stuff. Or else you will just miss stuff that you totally purchased. And I do misplace things, and I've misplaced my Series 4 40mm. So yeah. Be very aware, folks. Be very aware. Anyways, that's it for this one, y'all. Please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the bell notification, share, and like this video, y'all. See ya.